Hi, I am going to talk to you about a fundamental change in the advertising thinking of a company. I'm going to talk to you about Blossom in Us, the case study. You might have already read the case by this time, I'm sure. My name is Professor Ajit Thomas, and I am the corresponding author for this case. As you know, Blossom is about 3.5 decades old company, and we have prepared the case based on their initiative, or rather, a new thinking or philosophy in advertising. Um, Students generally who use the case ask me, what has happened now? What is the current status? I think I would like to tell you about the August 2017 status of this case. Um, when I think about their change in uh, the philosophy, I should talk about the feeling of giving the company offering, or I would rather put it in this way. I would say, goodness to all is the statement that we can tagline them. Uh, I think they have become a responsible brand, and I think every stakeholder accepts this fact. Um, if you ask me, 70% of the products are biodegradable for them. And that means 70% of the sales proceeds of this company comes from biodegradable products, unlike many of the competing brands and even foreign brands. Then I should also talk about an update of their corporate house that's coming up. The corporate house is coming up in Alway. I think they have signed an agreement with a person who would do mud construction of their corporate house, and I think they are planning to finish it in 2 years' time. We have heard of 50-mile diet. I think they are going to use a 50-mile raw material selection of this. In order to construct, they are going to bring items from 15-mile radius. Another aspect that I would like to talk to you now is about Alan Day. Alan Day is the one who sets the philosophy for the company. I think Alan Day does it always for all the clients. Um, I would also talk about reinventing cotton. That's another update that I wanted to tell you. They are no more going to have old, boring fashion, or rather, boring old fashion. They have said no to it. And they are going to have sensible, new age, modern design. I am given to understand that there is a person from a national institute who has joined them in the design team as the lead. Um, Another thing that I wanted to tell you is about the studio, design studio that is coming up. Incidentally, while we are talking, this studio is getting inaugurated today, 25th of August 2017, at Cochin, and they are going to be calling it Birds. So you can see the designs from Birds, which will come out soon. And that's the update. And all the very best for you in the case evaluation journey. Thank you very much.